Hi, my name is Waldo and I'm the landscape manager at Quoin Rock wine estate. I've always had a passion for all things that live and breathe, plants in particular. One of the most exciting projects that I've been involved with at Quoin Rock thus far involved the establishment of this propagation nursery, where we grow plants to maintain our gardens that are already established and also for future projects that we expand on. Motivated by the future expansion of the gardens, we decided to establish this propagation nursery to grow plants that we can use in those expansions, but also to grow vegetables, herbs and edible flowers for our chefs at the Gate restaurant. Alright, in this greenhouse we grow edible flowers for the Gate restaurant, and they use these flowers to decorate their dishes. Here we propagate plants from cuttings and seeds that are harvested from the garden, and we cultivate them in these large trays of cavities of up to 200. And once they rooted, you'll see the roots pop down from the bottom. We transplant them into bigger containers and move them outdoor to the hardening off area, where it will stand for another week or two, just to climatize, whereafter we'll move it to the outdoor bay where it will bask in full sun before we plant it out into the garden.